How to change your gender on Snapchat Bitmoji. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's get right into the tutorial. Open the Snapchat application on your device first. You will be led to the camera. On the top left of your screen, you will see your profile icon or your Bitmoji. Tap on that and then tap on the settings button. Under my account, you will see the option for Bitmoji. Tap on that. You cannot directly change the gender of your Bitmoji. In order to change the gender, you will have to firstly remove the existing Bitmoji and then set up your Bitmoji all over again. To remove, tap on the Remove My Bitmoji option and then in the pop-up that appears, tap on Remove. After removing, now tap on Create My Avatar. Now select the gender of your choice. Mine was set to female before, so I will change it to male. So I will select male here. Now make the necessary changes to your Bitmoji, such as changing the skin tone, the facial structure, the outfit, etc. And then tap on the save button, and with this your Bitmoji will be changed. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.